how to become a manifesting beast, and that's the session for today. If you are a newbie, make sure you hit the subscribe button because you are not going to miss any video which is going to come in. So let's start, and today's video is the best video ever because I'm going to share you some so important information that post this video you are going to tell yourself that you have become lucky. Let me show you how you can become lucky and become a manifesting beast. Let's start. People, welcome back. How to become a manifesting beast, and it all starts with organizing your mind. Once you organize your mind, you get your thoughts and feelings organized. Once your thoughts and feelings are organized, you get your energies organized, your emotions organized, and once all these three are organized, your thoughts, your emotions, your energy, you get your body organized. And all these four levels of your life, when it's all organized in one direction, your thoughts, your emotions, your energy, and your body, all of these gets organized in one direction, you create, or you have an ability to create and manifest whatever you want in a phenomenal way. Rather than just being a piece of creation, you get access to the source of the creator. You directly get connected to your creator, and that's so fantastic if we understand how to get all these four levels organized. And let's start with a simple example which I'm going to share with you. Let's take an example of an Amazon delivery. You get into Amazon website, start browsing the products you need and add them to your cart. Exactly in the same manner, our brain is processing your orders getting placed. But what happens? We all know that the brain processes 11 million pieces of information every second. Now imagine that 11 million pieces of information getting ordered from the universe. What's going to happen? Imagine 11 million pieces of information getting processed from Amazon. Will Amazon would be able to pack and deliver everything at the right time? No, right? Now we keep saying that why the anger coming into my life, why this hate, why jealousy, why these people are coming into my life which I don't need. It's all because when you are trying to manifest from your conscious level, at the same time we are also manifesting things at a subconscious level. And at your subconscious level, all these informations which is getting cluttered in your mind, there is so much of information which you are placing the order to the universe at the same time. So what is the next step? Is it something that we can delete the order from the Amazon, all that 11 million products which we have added? It's important to calm the mind. Calming the mind, you start deleting the products, you start deleting what is not required, and your mind will get focused in one direction. So number one thing is calm the mind and do some breathing technique. Breathing, it's we call it as an Ujjayi breath, and start taking the breath in a deep breath inhale and a deep breath exhale. So it's like exhale. Now this breathing technique, when you do, it helps to completely delete the order which you have placed, multiple orders, and you start focusing on one order. So whatever you focus on, your energy flows and the result shows. Remember, what you focus, energy flows and result shows. Now that's the number one thing, that calming the mind and doing some breathing exercises, make sure there is only one order getting processed. Now once we have placed that one order by calming the mind and using the breathing technique, it's only one order in Amazon cart now. So what's next? It's you will start seeing when is the delivery. Is it a prime delivery? Everyone wants the next day delivery. So it's like hitting on the prime button. what you need to do to get that prime delivery from the universe. Now, to do that, it's very important to add emotions to your order. Amplify. Emotion is energy in motion, and when you add emotions to it, it amplifies. And how do you amplify your emotion? Visualization. So the second step is doing visualization, where you add so much of emotions. I'm feeling excited, feeling the joy, feeling the love, feeling the gratitude, as if what you want in your life is happening right now. And when you add those emotions, it actually, you are hitting the prime button on the Amazon delivery. You are telling the universe that I want it urgently right now. So as much emotions you add, you amplify it as if it's happening right now. And that's the number 2 to hit the prime button. Now the order is placed. We have calmed the mind, we have visualized, we have added emotions to it, amplify it for the prime order delivery. So once the order is placed, what exactly we do? We don't do anything. What do you do in Amazon after placing order? You don't do anything, right? In the same way, once you have calmed the mind, you have visualized it, you have added emotions to it, you have set the order to the universe, what you need to do now? Let it go. Right? So once you have set it up, just let it go. Now, no attachment, detach from the outcome. Let that universal energy work for you at the right time. So what you need, what you have ordered, universe will work for you, provided you have just let it out. You are in the right frequency all the time. What I mean by that, just being positive every moment. Make sure that you are not thinking about what you don't want, because if you keep thinking about what you don't want, you have placed again another order to the universe. Maybe the previous order has not yet come. So make sure that even if you are thinking what you don't want, indirectly you are placing an order for that. So your thoughts, remember, your thoughts get converted to an order. So whatever you think, you are placing that order to the universe. So we need to be in a let go situation, that you have actually given it out to the universe and calming the mind, visualizing it, and now trust the process. Have faith on the process. And once you do that, you need to be at the right place at the right time when that Amazon guy, delivery guy comes to deliver it. In the same manner, when universe decides to deliver you, you need to be at the right place. You need to be at the right frequency. If you are not in the right frequency, if you are attracting negative thoughts, you are in anger mode, what's going to happen? The universe, the delivery guy will return back. You are not there at the right destination given to the Amazon, the delivery guy will return back. And that's what happens in our life. The universe wants to give us, and when the universe energies comes to give you, you are not ready to take. It's completely blocked, because our state of mind, our universal energy, or if you remember, once you place the order, we have told universe we need something, and we keep calling that Amazon guy, where is my order? Where is my order? I need my order as early as. What's going to happen? The Amazon guy people will be like, why the person is calling so many times? Excuse me, your order will get delayed, or better you cancel it. And that would be the response of Amazon guy, right? We can't put pressure. We just can't put pressure on even the universe. We can't just say when it is coming, when it is coming. Or we can't be sitting on the bed and imagining the love of our life. Oh, law of attraction works for me. I'm imagining the love of my life. Boom, there the girl on the bed. It's not going to happen that way, right? So it's important that we understand that all these steps, once we take in, calm the mind by using the breathing techniques, amplify your emotions by doing the visualization technique. I will make a separate videos on visualization. I'll make a separate videos on the breathing technique so that you understand and you follow it. Make sure that if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, because this year I am committed to make videos, to make your year the best year ever, to make your month the best month ever, and to make your week and the day the best week and the best day ever. So make sure that you are not missing out to put down the comments where you are tuning in from. Share it with me. What is it that you have manifested in your life? Your comments will inspire so many people out there. I'm looking forward. What is it that you want from me to make the videos? Share the topics around and I'll make the videos on those. If there is any specific topic, it's there in your mind, please do let me know, and I'm going to come out with those videos very soon. So before you actually sign out, make sure subscribe, like and comment. Till then, bye bye, signing off. See you in the next video.